is that?
And welcome back to another video. This video is different. You know, in this video I'm not gonna be drawing nothing. I'm just gonna be talking to you. Long story short, everybody wants a shortcut, right? Everybody wants to be able to draw. Oh, trust me, I know. When you start doing something right and something looks intimidating, like when you're playing a video game and you're going against the final boss, right? You be like, hold on, I gotta get my gear right, you feel me? I gotta get right before I go step into this fight. I'm not trying to get body. The more uncomfortable you are, the more you're gonna grow. Simple as that. Step out your comfort zone, try new stuff. Number two, this is real big. This is probably the biggest thing. Be consistent. When you're doing something every day, common sense that you're gonna pick up knowledge faster than somebody who's only drawing a week out, 3 days out the week or 2 days out the week. Let's say somebody's drawing 7 hours a day, right? But they only draw 2 days out the week. That's 14 hours of drawing. Somebody who's drawing 3 hours a day, but they're drawing 7 days out the week. That's 21 hours. To the other person's 14. But if you take anything away from this video, let it be that. Be consistent. Do this every day. It doesn't matter if you only do it for an hour a day or you do it for 30 minutes. As long as you're doing it every day, you're going to improve. Here's something, this is not for the lighthearted, you feel me? This is probably the last thing I'm going to give you guys. This is the big trick. This might be harsh. Be a perfectionist. I'm a perfectionist. I don't let no mistake go untouched. Let's say I'm drawing a picture I've been drawing for 40 hours and I realized that, oh, this is a little bit off. This is a little bit to the right. Or his eyes a little bit to the left.
Nah.
I just crumble it up, start over again or start something new. And y'all might be like,
Oh, that's 40 hours down the drain.
that's 40 hours worth of work, worth of learning. Hey, cool, I made this mistake, I won't make it again. Boom, you just eliminated a problem. You just got better that quick. But that's all I have to say, man. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video so other people can see it. It'll help me out. And go watch some of my other videos, you feel me? I don't just sit here and talk in front of the camera. All my other videos are art montages, me drawing. Go check them out, you feel me? Go do that. You ain't got nothing better to do. I know you ain't doing nothing.